Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out cleaning over areas and trying to get ahead of weeds before they get ahead of us this spring, because if we get going early we keep these beds nice and clean, and this area has got out of hand in the last while. The tool we're using for the job is this one here. It's the hoe rake from the vet. I'll show you a new one, that's the easiest way. It's a nice spanking new clean one, nice and sharp, Swedish boron steel and an ash handle, and very quickly it gets areas cleaned over. It's light and easy to use. A whole range of weeds here, some celandine, some willow herb, and it's nice and sharp. Gets under that creeping buttercup there and deals with that. Again, around our daffodils here. So very quickly you can get a bed area cleaned over and off to a good start this spring. So right down below. That's the hoe rake from the vet. Very much a tool fit for purpose. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.